Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing two stories in my daughter's school insert, I call it. It's using a Heidi Swap storyline chapters insert. I did start this one in a previous video linked. I will hopefully remember to link it down below as well. And I always see people say they'll link it in the eye. I have no idea what that means, but I know what that means. Like, you'll see it like on the top of the screen up here in like a link, I guess, that interrupts the video. I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys ever use those buttons, or if it's better to be left in the description box. I never know all of the YouTube features. But I did make a video setting this up so you can see the cover, this layout, and I did this simple grid one on this side for my school year wish. So we are going to do a full page photo over here of her sleeping, and I have an idea of making like an overlay with possibly the journaling on here too, just to soften the colors of this layout. I definitely took this when she was sleeping, so it's very purpley pink. She has like a rotating star nightlight that was like blues and reds, and her room just turns pink. She's a girly girl. So next to this, I just felt like it was very harsh. I mean, not really, but I just had an idea of the vellum over it would soften it a little bit. And I cut out the word snuggles already, because that's what my story or my brief journaling is about here. So we'll assemble this together. And then on the next story, I wanted to document like what her new room looks like this year. I did this story in the last year's one, the pre-K3 album. Again, I'll have a playlist down below. We were living in our old house. We have just moved, so it is a brand new room, and I had recently just done the painting of the huge rainbow mural in her room. So I want to talk about that. And then there's just two other pictures of her Barbie Disney princess castle, and then kind of do the journaling about the things that stay right on her little nightstand, including the star rotator star nightlight I'm talking about, a sound machine, and we still use a baby monitor to watch her in case she has a nightmare at night. And then I have this little acetate sheet. This is from the whole story kit. Oh, I gotta remember to take out the whole story kit from Ali Edwards, and I just pulled it because it was a rainbow. The colors are a little bit different, but I feel just on this side it can be like a canopy. I actually might even cut it in half and then just have all of my journaling and maybe write like bedroom or stamp bedroom out for this one. But I thought I liked it like this and have these overlaid. I already matted these, so that kind of looks like a little bit of a magazine cover, because I did think about like, putting them like this. And then I thought about it like this too, but then if they overlay, it'll block her name. And yeah, her name I had ordered, believe it or not, it was a big plywood piece, custom name from Amazon. I was looking on Etsy and they were quite expensive. So to have it this length, I believe I checked off that it was 46 inches long. Was only $60 or something. So it was a really nice custom thing, and I just painted it like glossy white for her room. So she has a whole rainbow room. So yes, so let's make these two together, and I will put you on fast forward now. All right, so let's get started. So I usually print my large or like full page photos on an 8x10 photo piece of paper, just at Walgreens, or actually even through Amazon or even Persnickety. Amazon's getting better as far as shipping, because it usually took like a week to get your photos, but they are doing better. So this one definitely pulled, like I said, very purpley pink, so I just wanted to tone it down a little bit, and I usually will just stick it on as you saw, and then cut off about an inch all the way around the edges. It's the same that works for my 6x8 albums as well. Then the font was just called Crushed Brush Script in Silhouette software, which is the word snuggles that I cut out is with that font. And I actually like seeing the peeking of the other paper kind of shine through. I use matte clear sticker paper with the same font for the journaling up in that corner above her head, and it really works well as like a nice hack to when you want to have journal and have the background shine through. Then for the other side, you already saw the layout. I do stick with that, and I do all of my journaling on the clear matte sticker paper as well. And that like rainbow circle is from an Allie Edwards Crush whole kit. If you're subscribed, you know these products are wonderful. And so those complete these two layouts in her school year insert. Alrighty, I have finished up the journaling. I did use the whole thing. I thought I was going to cut it in half, but I decided not to do that. So the journaling is on clear matte sticker paper, clear sticker paper over that rainbow piece. So I like that it kind of has that overlay over here. Kept this simple, just added a few cork piece hearts on that one. And then for the Snuggles page, it's that vellum and then my journaling right there in like a brush script kind of font. Very simple, and like I said, just wanted to mute it down from this side because this had definitely pulled a very heavy color, a purpley pink color. But it's fun to have these stories in here, and as the school year goes by, this notebook will get completed. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!